The AMBU bag, also called manual resuscitator, consists of a body, an inlet valve assembly, and an outlet valve assembly. The body is made of material, which will expand by itself, when released after compression. This property makes it possible to utilize atmospheric air for ventilation, when no source of oxygen is available. The inlet valve closes when the bag is compressed, and opens when the bag is released. This allows the atmospheric air to be taken into the bag for the next breath. When oxygen is available, it can be connected to the port provided, and the FiO2 can be increased. The FiO2 will vary depending on the flow rate of oxygen, and the rate at which air flows into the bag, which depends on the rate at which the AMBU bag expands, which in turn depends on the amount the bag was squeezed. Since the flow of oxygen is continuous, it is wasted out after the bag has fully expanded, and while the bag is being compressed. A reservoir can be added to the air inlet port. This allows the oxygen to be collected when it is not going into the bag. The collected oxygen is taken in the next time AMBU bag expands, thereby increasing the FiO2 further. If the oxygen flow rate is not sufficient, the reservoir will not fill adequately. The reservoir will collapse, and the AMBU bag will not be able to expand completely. The addition of an air intake valve to the reservoir will allow atmospheric air to enter into the bag when the reservoir does not have adequate volume of gas. An additional relief valve can be added to the reservoir in case oxygen flow is excessive. The outlet of the AMBU bag contains an one-way valve, usually the fish mouth type. When the bag is compressed, the fish mouth valve opens and allows the gas to enter the patient. During exhalation, the fish mouth valve closes and allows the expired gases to be vented out. An optional one-way valve may be present at the exhalation port. If the patient is breathing spontaneously with the AMBU bag, this valve will close during inspiration by the negative pressure, thereby allowing the patient to take in the gases from the AMBU bag.